Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I hope you all will be fine. I am your English teacher. I am Shugufta Makbul. Please open your notebook of English literature. Today we will complete question answers in notebook. First of all, prepare page like this way. CW Friday, 15th January, 2021. Our topic is a new way to fish. Exercise number 2. Answer these questions. Before starting these question answers, I am going to take a short review of this lesson. In this lesson, a fox told a new way to catch fish. After reading, now we are able to tell what was the new way to catch fish. It was a funny way. It was a funny way for catching fish. We use string and we use nets to catch fish. But the fox told the way to catch a fish. It was a funny way. She played a trick to bear. After doing question number 1 to 5, now we will complete question number 6 to 12. After listening this, you will be able to give answer easily. You can give answer by yourself. How did the bear catch fish? You will have to tell the thing. How did the bear how did the bear catch fish? It's mean what thing the bear was using to catch fish. You will start writing answer. The bear is here, so you can write here he. You can write here he. When you will write here he, it means you are talking about bear. You are talking about bear. You will write here he. See, catch is here. You will write second form of catch, caught. You can write like this way. The bear is here. He caught. Catch is here. You will write here CAUGHT, caught the fish with the WITH with THE, the HELP, help, of his tail, HIS, his TAIL, tail. So you can write answer like this way. He caught the fish with the help of his tail. Question number 7 is written here. What was the new way of fishing the fox told to the bear? This question is written here. I am showing you this. Look in this book. This question is written here. So this question is not included. You will have to cross. You don't need to write this question. So I am going to cross this one. We will complete and we will write question number 8. When did the bear go to the fish? When did the bear go to the fish? You will have to tell at what time. In the morning, at night. When the bear go to the fish, go is written here, so you will write here the bear. You will start from here. In the morning, at night. You will have to tell the period of time. Tell the time. You will have to write the time. When did the bear go to the fish? Definitely think about it. When the bear wanted to catch fish, so he went to the fish at night. So you can write answer. You will start answer from here. The bear go is written here. You will write went. You will write went. The bear, WENT, went to the fish. You will take half answer from this question. After writing this, the bear go is here. You will write here went. you will write went in place of go. Went to the fish at night. NIGHT, at night. You can give answer like this way. The bear went to the fish at night. NIGHT, night. WENT, went. Next question is, question number 9 is written here. What did he do? You will have to tell. When he reached there, when he reached to the river, what did he do? What did he do at the time? What did he do at the time when he reached the river? Look at here. Look at this one. The bear went at night. You can write and you can give answer like this way. When he reached there, he made a hole. He made a hole in the ice, and stuck his tail in it. You can write answer. You can write this answer in an easy way. First of all, you will start from he made a hole. He made a hole. After making, he made a hole in the ice. And stuck, STUCK, stuck his tail in it. So you will write answer here. What did he do when he reached there? What did he do? He MADE made a HOLE hole in the ice, ice, and and stuck, STUCK, stuck his tail in it. Next question is, question number 10 is, you have to give answer of question number 10. When did he pull up his tail? When did he pull up his tail? You will have to tell time here. Is it morning time and is it evening time when he pull up his tail? So you will write answer. You will start answer from here. Half answer is in question. You will start from he pu, pull. You will add ed, pulled up his tail in the morning. When did he pull? You will start from here. He PULLED, pulled up his tail in the morning. MORNING. Next question is, you are seeing what happened to it. What happened to it? It's mean when he pulled up his tail. What happened to it? You will write answer. What happened to the half of his tail? You will write here THE, the half, 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 OF, HIS, his tail, stuck, 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 the half of his tail stuck in the ice. Next one, why was the fox lucky? This is last question. Why was the fox lucky? Because he was lucky because he never met the bear again. He was lucky because he never met the bear again. Lucky means having a good luck. Okay students, today you will have to complete these question and answer in notebook of literature. If you are feeling any difficulty, you can discuss with me. And you will have to read this lesson, A New Way to Fish. Thank you so much.